So, hello dear friends, today I am back with the part 3 of spoken English. So, we have previously discussed two parts of the spoken English. So, today we are going to discuss the next part or part number 3. So, let's get started. Hello Shivam,
Hello Prakash,
when did you come? When did you come?
I just came 10 minutes ago. I just came 10 minutes ago.
Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework?
Yes, I have completed. Have not you? Yes, I have completed. Have not you?
I could not solve 5 number question. I could not solve 5 number question.
You should clear your doubt from teacher. You should clear your doubt from teacher.
Can you solve this sum? Can you solve this sum?
Let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do it.
Which stream will you choose after 10th? Which stream will you choose after 10th?
I have decided to choose arts. I have decided to choose arts.
What is your M Prakash? What is your M Prakash?
I want to become an IAS officer. I want to become an IAS officer.
Are you free in evening? Are you free in evening?
Of course, I will be free then. Of course, I will be free then.
When will English teacher come? When will English teacher come?
He is on leave today. He is on leave today.
Bye. I am going to my section. Bye. I am going to my section.
Okay, bye. See you soon. Okay, bye. See you soon.